Hi, I'm Saul, Fertility Coordinator at Vida Fertility, here to talk about how you can improve male fertility. Many couples face challenges with low male fertility factors, but there are practical ways to help. First, let's talk about lifestyle changes. Reducing alcohol, stopping smoking, and minimizing stress are key factors. These can improve sperm count quality and motility. Diet is also vital. Foods rich in antioxidants like fruits, vegetables, nuts, and fish support sperm health. Supplements like zinc and folic acid can also be beneficial, but consult your doctor first. Exercise is another important component. Moderate, regular exercise is best, as intense training can sometimes harm fertility. And don't forget hydration. Drinking water helps maintain sperm motility. Minimizing exposure to environmental toxins can protect sperm quality. Limited contact with chemicals and plastics, pesticides, and heavy metals, especially in the workplace, is essential. For those undergoing treatment, some medical interventions can boost male fertility, such as medications or procedures to remove blockages. Always consult a specialist for options that best suits you.